Woo-hoo.
All right, well, I'm gonna go for mind meld.
In this game, you and I will be given a word followed by a blank. And if our answers match, you get the cash. The mind meld word is ice, blank. Ice, blank. Ice. Ice.
Blank.
Ice.
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 Blank.
Ice.
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 Ice. Ice. Ice.
1, 2, Q.
The correct answer is iceberg.
Well, I don't know. I feel like if it's not a physical thing, it's like a evil manifestation of spirits that are karmic related. I don't know. I also gave myself 2 hickeys on my arm.
How did you do that? How did you do?
I sucked on my arm.
Oh. No, wait, let me.
And I've been really hormonal lately, and I caught myself yesterday singing a song out loud that goes, kill, 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 die, die, die. Bo Burnham is here. He wrote and directed a beautiful film, 8th grade, which is even more impressive when you consider how easily he could have just ended up being a guy who explains jazz to you at a party. Elsie Fisher is also nominated. She's a sophomore in high school now. When I asked her about making 8th grade, she was like, oh my God, that was so long ago. Like, I don't even remember that, okay? Stop bringing it up. You're embarrassing me. And I said, I'm doing the best I can, Elsie. Can't we just have a nice dinner for once? I'm trying.
Who wants to go first?
She can.
Hook me up, baby.
Hook it up.
Am I gonna get an IV? We could use a little cocktail. Let's just get this over with.
Ready? Do you think going to an all-girls Catholic school messed you up in any way?
Ooh, how long do we have?
Your Twitter handle is Evil Hag. Why Evil Hag?
Because I like it. I don't know, because why? Sorry.
Why do I feel like you're my daughter and and I'm like, we've got to talk about this report card. Whatever.
I like it.
You listen, sit up straight, young lady, and tell me why you're Evil Hag.
No, Daddy, no.
So this one's the chocolate plague.
Okay.
Number 9. Careful around your eyes.
Oh, was that a bad idea? Is someone playing the saxophone right now?